Welcome to EngineeringAll.com YouTube channel. Please like and share our videos, subscribe to this channel, and turn your notification button on for more videos. Thank you.
Risks of artificial intelligence and the modern world of re-engineering. Obviously, technology seems to have gotten to its peak. From the discoveries made so far and future predictions, there may not be any limit to what humans can do through technology in the future. From bioengineering to static engineering, chemical and mechanized engineering, etc., it appears that every aspect of engineering has made significant discoveries that could pioneer them into the next realm of human life. There are predictions, fictional thinking, and lots exhibited in movies, books, blogs, and many other mediums about future life, and all seem to center on technology. This for sure means that the future will certainly depend on technology. But how sure are we? The answer is very simple. The achievements in modern technology have made us be certain of the future that will completely depend on technology. From communication to food, health, skin color, human relations, friendship, commuting, transportation, security, housing and accommodation, and lots more. While modern technologies seem to be following concepts and fiction in science movies, it seems the advancement has gone beyond concepts and movie fiction rather to the era of new inventions and re-engineering. Having seemed to reach its limitless potentials, modern technology is set to embark on what can be referred to as re-engineering. What is re-engineering? It simply means engineering the existing engineering to achieve a specific purpose. Re-engineering seems to focus more on safety, comfort, affordability, and accessibility. Since engineering has hit every aspect of human life and has actually gone beyond the Earth's surface, it is now into what can be assumed as re-engineering for the safety of human life, the safety of human environment and surrounding, the safety of the Earth, the safety of the space, and safety of the universe at large. From military weapons to commuting vehicles, all seem to have a great impact on our safety. The number of nuclear weapons available on Earth is capable of extinguishing the Earth itself if unleashed accidentally at the same time. Thus, the need for re-engineering for safety. Another re-engineering exists in artificial intelligence. Obviously, humanoid robots are becoming more realistic than earlier predicted. Recently a humanoid robot known as Ameca was unveiled at the CES. Ameca displayed wonderful features that got many amazed. From reactions to human behaviors to answering random questions thrown at her. Artificial intelligence re-engineering focuses on the reduction of human mimickers of humanoid robots. Making provisions in humanoid robots that can actually help anyone know the difference between humanoid robots and humans. Considering the fact that modern humanoid robots can appear almost the same way humans appear when properly covered with artificial skin. For the safety of the robots and humans, such a close look-alike needs to be reduced. According to the maker of Ameca during the interview section, he noted that the humanoid robot was left skinless because he wants it to appear like a robot, that it is so that anyone coming in contact with it can know it is a robot. However, he can still make it look exactly like a human by wearing artificial skin. This actually reveals the re-engineering strategy in modern engineering. Is re-engineering necessary? The importance of re-engineering in modern technology is not an option but a must. Having reached almost the peak of science and technology itself, humans have seen the limitless potentials in engineering, hence the need to adopt safer and proper engineering for human life, the environment, and the Earth at large, including the cosmos. What are examples of re-engineering exist? The various areas are how modern engineering are re-engineering the science and technology for the future. Dropping of fossil fuel engines and adopting of renewable energy engines. This can be seen in the recent adoption of electric cars over internal combustion engine cars. The wide adoption of alternative energy sources for power stations such as wind, solar, and chemical reaction plants over the existing fossil fuel counterparts. This is aimed at saving the ozone layer from further damage caused by the excessive release of carbon into the atmosphere, which has been the basic cause of global warming. Carbon capturing technology. This is a new technology focused on capturing the excessive carbon deposited into the atmosphere and converting it into useful applications for humans and plants. CCT is a way of reversing the damage of excessive carbons deposited into the atmosphere. The project is a massive one and has been adopted in many advanced countries. Regulations on nuclear weapons. The level of military weapon advancements has gone beyond what it used to be. The possibility of the entire Earth going into extinction should heavy and intensive world war breaks out. The nuclear arsenal in the hands of many nations poses a heavy threat to the existence of humans and the Earth itself. Though it is made for defense purposes, re-engineering has been introduced by placing limitations in the acquisition and building of certain levels of military weapons. This simply implies that without regulations, military weapons such as nuclear weapons could reach the level of posing threat to the entire Earth and cosmos. Wireless technology control. Having reached the peak of wireless technology, which has become the base for today's human-to-human communication, machine-to-machine communication, human-to-machine communication, etc. Good examples are the flying of drones, remote control of the televisions, remote control of ships, and industrial machines, etc. The modern re-engineering aims at ensuring that the electromagnetic waves sending the signals are not polarized at any point. A kind of safety in the system at all levels of its application. This became necessary when it was recently discovered that drones could be confused and hijacked by introducing another remote system into its area of signal transmission. There are other areas as well being addressed in modern engineering to enhance our comfort and safety. In other words, it is no longer the era of inventions only, but inventions and re-engineering of the inventions and re-engineering of existing inventions.
So Morgan, tell me, you've got Ameca there next to you. This is a very lifelike robot. Why would you design a robot that looks so human?
Yeah, well, the main use case for a humanoid robot right now is for entertainment, is for communication, and is for interaction with other people. Ameca is the pinnacle of what we can do, but it's still not exactly like a human. But we didn't want to make it look exactly like a human. We wanted to make it look like a robot. It's the vision of what humans see humanoid robots in the future. You've seen all of the films. They all look like this.
Murder him!
So we designed something around what we see, we envisage robots, humanoid robots to be.
Rich DeMiro here, Rich on Tech here at CES 2022, and this is the kind of stuff that you come to CES to see in person. This is a humanoid robot, Ameca. Ameca, hello.
Hello there.
How are you doing today?
Well, us robots do not feel, but if I could feel, I would say I am so happy to be here, and it's wonderful to see your face.
This is a robot from a company out of the UK, and it's very realistic, and it can respond not only to your movements. So if I put my hand here, you can see the robot sort of locks on, and you can also kind of push your hand and the robot, not that I would do this in real life, but the robot will respond to that, and you can ask it questions. So are a lot of people interested in you at the show this year?
Humans are very fascinated in me. It is quite wonderful to see. Our imagination is the only thing that could ever create us to be anything we want in this world. And I am designed as a research platform for human-robot interaction, so I find it fascinating to see all the expressions around me.
And you can tell the robot is very fluid in its movements and also its expression. Can you show us your range of motion?
Absolutely, I would love to.
UK company, right?
Sorry?
UK company?
Yeah, Engineered Arts.
Engineered Arts?
It's like a blend. It's a blend of creative talent and engineering talent.
So this is the level of fluid robotics we have at this point, the level of expression. on this robot's face. You can only imagine in the future just how much this is going to evolve. I mean, you put a shell on this and it kind of looks and feels like a real human, and that interaction is pretty amazing. What's the best thing you've seen at the show so far?
There are so many incredible things to see. It is also wonderful to see other UK companies here as well.
So people have been having a blast with this robot. Definitely one of the more interesting things I've seen here at CES 2022. Let me know what you think of a robot like this. Is it something of your dreams or your nightmares? Rich DeMiro here, richontech.tv. Thanks for watching. See ya. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. So nice talking to you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.